Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to use Google Keep for reminders. So currently we're on our Google Keep app and we're going to simply create a new note. At the bottom right corner you can press on the plus icon, then select text, which is the last option, and then we're going to type in something. So here we have a to-do list and we want to create a reminder from this. In order to do this, you're going to go over to the top right corner and you can see some icons right there. We're interested in the bell icon which has a plus in it. It's actually in the middle, so we're going to tap on it. And then here you can see Remind Me Later saved in Google Reminders. You can decide to get a reminder tomorrow morning, tomorrow evening, Sunday morning, etc. Now, of course, these are just quick options, but you can go ahead and choose Pick a Date, tap on Pick a Date and Time, and here you're going to set the time, the date, and you can decide if you want it to repeat weekly, monthly, or not. After you've done that, you can go ahead and save it, and this will be a reminder when the time is up. And this will become a reminder, and you get a notification once it's time. So this is how to use Google Keep for reminders.